So this is the Razor Edge Pro 1 Inflatable Kayak by Razor Kayaks. I'm going to get it out of the bag, set it up properly and see what it's actually like in the flesh. So first off, it comes in a decent, well-made backpack that can easily handle the weight. So the bag is really durable and comfy to wear. Remember that this kayak is weighing about 16 kilos, so you're going to need something that's comfortable and durable. You can get those bags that you get paddle boards in and they last about 2 or 3 trips before the stitching goes. But this feels really comfy and really durable. You've got padded shoulder straps, you've got a waistband, you've got compression straps on the side there, and you've got plenty of space for all of your gear and everything else that you need to take with you for a day on the water. Pack size is decent, it'll live in the boot without no dramas. The whole weight is just under 16 kilos, so it's not featherweight. But when you actually feel the material and the quality of the build, you'll understand why. So this is a 5 centimeter drop stitch core with tech stitch reinforcement wrapped in 1000D PVC, and that's thick and you can feel it straight away. This isn't pool inflatable material, it's proper heavy duty stuff. It's 3.9 meters long and 83 centimeters wide, so this is touring size. It's not a little splash about kayak. You can see the whole shape already and it's streamlined, and that's where the glide should come from. The reinforced bow and stern is really good. It means that I won't worry every time I drag it onto the bank. So first impressions, it feels serious. 1000D PVC outer, 5 centimeter reinforced core, 170 kilo max load. Now they say a 4-minute setup. Let's see how long it takes. So the pump itself is rechargeable. You can charge it using the 12-volt cigarette light adapter in your car, or it's got a USB-C on the front there. So it has its own internal battery there, so you don't have to have it plugged into charge like some other pumps. We've got the skeg, the footrest, and the repair kit. Skeg is really easy to fit. You've got 2 chambers that need to be filled. So the great thing about the pump is you can inflate and you can deflate as well. So the deflate function is really good at getting all the air out of the kayak there to make it easier to pack down and get back into the bag. So the pump's really easy to use. Just flick the switch on the back, set your PSI. You can flick between PSI and bar and then just flick it on. So that's the chambers done. All we've got to do is the floor. So next we've got the footrest. So as you can see by the footrest, you've got an adjustable piece of webbing and 2 stainless steel clips, and that clips onto the daisy chain webbing inside of the kayak. The next bit is the seat, and that looks really comfortable. Got a little tiny zippable pocket on the back there. That just velcros onto the bottom there, and then you've got stainless steel strap that goes inside onto a clip inside, and then the other one onto the front. So let's take a look. So at the bow, you've got that reinforced plastic on the front there, which is going to be perfect for dragging up the banks and things. You've got a carry handle, and then at the stern you've got a carry handle, and then you've got a drainage screw at the stern as well. The stern, you've got a small set of bungees so you can put some gear into there. So tons and tons of space to store your gear. At the front here you could easily get a 70-litre dry bag on there. I've just got my fishing rod and my fishing gear. At the stern I've got my cook gear, and then don't forget all of the space you've got in the stern to store all of your gear. You've got this gunnel that runs along the top of the kayak, so you can wear a spray skirt as well. Right, let's get it on the water. Well, the first thing I notice is you forget how slow packrafts paddle. This tracks so well, and it's got a nice top speed to it. It's definitely nicer to paddle than what a packraft is. It's nice, fast, it's keeping in a really straight line. It's really nice to paddle, really nice to paddle. So the Edge Pro 1 is a really nice kayak to paddle. It's inflatable, it packs up into its own bag, it's durable, it's got a really good top speed there, it's really stable. You can pack loads and loads of gear on the bow, on the stern, and inside of the stern. It's just a lovely kayak to get into, whether you're out for a weekend paddle, an expedition, or you're just going out for the afternoon. So this is the Razor Kayaks Edge Pro 1.